Well, hello fellers and fellettes, this is Rick Wilson. I'm back at you, and this may turn out to be another small one or not, but my little plea there that on my last one that I sent out did fairly well. I got a reply back from Brandon, who is one of you guys, and he said that the crankshaft position sensor was under this plate right here. So I'm hoping this one right here. It looks like it's been held on by 4 or 5 different bolts there, and we're going to take that off and let's see if we can find that thing. Alright, so let's see if we can get that little cover off of there. It's not in the best of places. Yeah. Well, it's supposed to have. Yeah, it don't. No, of course not. So I'm gonna have to get something else. Alright, so I'm obviously broken out all of my tools that I think that might work. So we will see what goes on, alright? Let's see if that one right there will fit anything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a breaker bar. What's that? 5/16. That's always the good thing about having your tool close by. That's going to be in the way the whole time. Okay, so it's good. Next victim. Yeah, this is really feeling good on my back. Are y'all having problems with granddaddy long legs? Man, they're everywhere. Okay. Damn, this is just a good way to get rid of this stuff. Not even if I take the back off. This has been taken off before because it's awful loose. Alright, let's see. I think I see. Well, maybe it. Nope. Where are, oh, I see it. Wow. And how does one get to that? Can't even see it. Man. Let's see how I'm going to get to that. Here, I don't see it. See a place right there that it could go in. Had we had one. Alright, let me try to figure some other way to get this stupid thing out. Okay, alright, so here's our problem right now. This is a bolt and that's a bolt that's keeping this pan in. And if you'll notice, they're both rusty as they can be. And so I got to get this pan out because it is supposed to give me better access to right there. So let's see. Well, as you can see, I got the box out. Right over there is where I need to get under to, so let us see if that is possible. We will see. Dark. Alright, so let's see if it's there. I do not see it. Do y'all see it? I don't see anything but this. It may be it. If it is, it doesn't look anything like any of the other ones. Let's see. That could be it though. Don't think of it. Alright, let's go see if we can find a picture of that. Yeah, that may be it.
Hope so.
maybe I can take it off and clean that. That was one of the big things, is that it's not that it's out of caliber. Right now it's saying it's not working at all, but I did get the PO. I did get the PO 0336, which means it's out of calibration or it's dirty. The PO, which is getting now, is PO 337, which means it's not any good. But let me see if I can clean this thing and see if that will help. Okay, I'm thinking that is probably it. However, it is in the same wiring harness as the starter, which is this one, which goes over there, which goes into it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to put sandpaper right here, because you see that's how rusted up that is, and I'm going to turn it over and hit sandpaper to this and try to clean this up a little bit. And just maybe, I will be able to bring it back around. Let's see. All right, so I've got this. Let's see I've got this staked off, because you have to push that in order to turn the key. And I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to get this up in there and sand this one way or another. Let's see which way it turns. Okay. It turns that way. Clean them up a little bit. That'd be a better way. Gotta be a better way. Who knows? Crap, I can't get it skinny enough. Maybe I'll roll it up. No, of course not. It doesn't want. About like that. Like that. Okay, that looks a lot better than it did. Alright, now let's take this thing. Let's clean it up a little bit. Just simply stick it back in there. Simply, is that what you said? Simply? Yeah. Okay. At least with one screw. Oh. Alright, my back is hurting. But you don't want to hear about all that. Alright, so this is one of them here. And there's the other one. Alright. Alright. Let's see if that helped it at all. We don't know. Give it some gas, maybe. I'm about ready to give up on this thing. Still giving me that battery's giving out. Sounds like so is the starter. Well, we tried. Alright, fellers and fellettes, as you can see, I've got her all buttoned up tight again. I gave it a shot, Brandon, but I tried it, tried to clean it up and test it. But let me tell you what I have done. I went ahead and ordered, that's those squirrels throwing stuff at me. I went ahead and ordered a crankshaft position sensor. I hope it's the right one. We'll see. And I also ordered a coil and a spark plug wire. We'll see. I think I've maybe put too much pressure on my my starter. I don't know. At this point, I'm just going to wait and see when that stuff comes in, which will be a week or so, and we'll go from there. Alright? So, I'm just sorry it didn't work. I tried cleaning it up, and y'all saw it. It didn't. But anyway, Psalms 113, verse 3, says, "From the rising of the sun until the going down of the same, the Lord's name is to be praised." You know, I got to thinking there's a whole lot worse things that could be going wrong. You know, like the mayor in New York race. I can't believe that America has allowed. I'm not going to get into it. It just gets me down. But it's happening and happening more and more and more. I'm telling you, this United States needs to come back to the Lord. And I still have hope. But anyway, do me a favor. Do something for the Lord this week to let him know you love him back. I'm going to do the same. Set them seeds so they'll grow, because if you don't, who will? Right? Alright, please do not litter, and y'all be sweet. I'll see you next time. Like I said, I think this is so. Later.